Yeah, my job is to make sure we get good quality products and out of the shop in a timely manner. And I oversee the various foremen in the departments and the various processes it takes to get a good quality product out.
I apply paint powder coating to steel parts of all different shapes and sizes. Having a paint shop in-house allows, it's kind of an advantage for Miller Welding instead of most companies that have to send their parts away. It might take a little bit longer.
Anything that has to do with automation, robots, laser.
I train all the new employees that come onto the paint line on how to perform all the different tasks within the paint department. And with proper training of employees, we're allowed to get better quality parts, less waste, and safer environment for the employees.
Our line is actually like a streamline line. We do try to handle everything that we can on the line versus sending it out to different departments.
Being able to do all the different variety of parts, like jobs within the company, and taking something from bare metal into a finished product.
Robots.
Seeing everything from start to finish and all the hard work in between is pretty amazing. Seeing the finished product all put together is pretty cool.
Things that people ride around in, construction equipment, farm equipment. When we see that end process, it's cool.
Being able to take somebody's idea and turning it into a work and finished product.
Probably seeing the finished product of how all your parts come together to make something bigger.
It's not the same thing every day and every day.
Knowing that I play an important role in the production line is exciting for me.